Stop. Before you buy InstaDoodle, you need to watch this video. Because InstaDoodle claims you can create professional whiteboard, doodle and explainer videos in minutes, without design skills, without animation experience, and without hiring freelancers. Sounds powerful. But is InstaDoodle actually worth your money, or is it just another hyped video tool? In this honest InstaDoodle review, I'll show you exactly how it works, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and how to get my $497 bonus bundle free if you decide to grab it. Let's get started. Hey, welcome back. If you're a marketer, affiliate, coach, YouTuber, agency owner, or content creator, and you want attention-grabbing videos that convert, this review is for you. No hype here, just a clear breakdown so you can decide if InstaDoodle is right for you. What is InstaDoodle? InstaDoodle is a cloud-based doodle and whiteboard video creation software that allows you to create animated explainer videos, sales videos, social media videos, and presentations, using simple drag-and-drop tools. Instead of expensive animation software, freelancers charging hundreds of dollars and complicated timelines and editing. InstaDoodle lets you create engaging doodle-style videos in just a few clicks. No design skills, no animation experience, no downloads required. Key features and benefits. Here's why InstaDoodle stands out. Drag-and-drop doodle video builder. Create whiteboard and doodle animations visually. Just drag elements onto the canvas and animate them instantly. Perfect for beginners. Pre-made templates. InstaDoodle includes ready-to-use templates for sales videos, explainer videos, YouTube content, ads and promotions, educational content. This saves hours of work. Custom characters, doodles and assets. You get access to a massive library of hand-drawn doodles, icons, characters, scenes, backgrounds. This makes your videos look professional and engaging. Voiceover and text animation. Add your own voiceover or text animations easily. Perfect for faceless YouTube videos, explainer videos and affiliate promotions. Multiple monetization uses. You can use InstaDoodle for affiliate marketing, YouTube videos, client work, local business videos, agency services, social media content. One tool, many income opportunities. Honest pros and cons. Let's keep this real. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly, no design or animation skills needed, saves time and money, great for faceless videos, works for ads, sales and content, and cloud-based, use anywhere. Cons: creative results improve with practice, not designed for advanced cinematic animation, best suited for explainer and doodle-style videos. If your goal is simple, high-converting visual videos, InstaDoodle does the job very well. Who should use InstaDoodle? InstaDoodle is perfect for affiliate marketers, coaches and trainers, agency owners, YouTubers, small businesses and anyone creating videos without showing their face. If you want attention-grabbing videos fast, this tool makes sense. Exclusive $497 bonus bundle. This is why people buy through your link. If you grab InstaDoodle using my link below, you'll get my exclusive $497 bonus bundle absolutely free. Here's what you get. bonus 150 high-converting doodle video scripts, $97. Ready-to-use scripts for sales, reviews and explainer videos. Bonus 2. Faceless Video Monetization Blueprint, $77. How to turn doodle videos into income using YouTube and affiliate offers. Bonus 3. DFY InstaDoodle Templates Pack, $67. Plug and play templates for fast video creation. Bonus 4. Affiliate Video Funnel Guide, $97. How to use videos to build funnels and commissions. Bonus 5. Canva Thumbnail Pack for Video Center, $67. High-click thumbnail templates for YouTube. Bonus 6. Video Hook and CTA Swipe File, $47. Proven hooks and CTAs that boost watch time and clicks. Bonus 7. Commercial use and client pricing guide, $45. How to sell videos to clients or use them commercially. Total bonus value, $497. Free. So, is InstaDoodle worth it? If you want a simple, beginner-friendly tool to create engaging doodle and explainer videos without showing your face, then yes, InstaDoodle is worth grabbing. Especially with my $497 bonus bundle, this is a solid deal. Click the link in the description now. Grab InstaDoodle, unlock my bonuses instantly and start creating high-converting videos today. Thanks for watching, see you in the next review.